Welcome to the Norton Farm and Orchard channel. This channel is basically about, it says in the description, or the name of the channel, the Norton Farm and Orchard channel. So, a lot of farm and farm videos and stuff like that. It's just outdoor stuff, pretty much. And, my farm has roughly 400 and I think 450 to 460 trees, pecan trees so far. And we also have, it's so hot here today, we got chickens as well. We got, I think we got 18 full-size adult chickens, and then right here, what you're hearing right now is our brand new shipment in today of baby chicks coming from Missouri. Exactly where it's coming from, Missouri. If you want to buy them, I ain't had not one lick of problem with them when they get shipped up to me. Let's see. I know it's Missouri. I know that. It's weird that it don't have like the actual address and all that, where it comes from. It only has my address, my information I gave you to let them have, I always leave instructions for them. Mainly it's for the post office people, to let them know that they have, by the time they hatch and the time they ship them out, they got at the most 3 days to get to you before they start dying, because the day they hatch, they still have a little bit of the yolk inside their stomach where it's feeding off inside the egg. So they got 3 days to survive in a box and shipment to your house. And so far, knock on wood, the hatchery I get mine from, Missouri, this is crazy. They don't even have that. Oh, it does have. I don't know how you pronounce it. The Lebanon, I can't even say it. Lebanon, Missouri. I don't know where it is at Missouri. I think I've been there before. I used to be a over the road truck driver. Now I'm local, my own business and stuff like that. So that's another thing that our farm has now is a truck and trailer to haul our grain and stuff like that. So we got a hump bottom. And I also run local deliveries very early in the mornings. Start out at 2 in the morning every morning and be back on the farm at 12, about noon, between noon and 2 o'clock. So I run 10 to 12 hours a day, and then I come home and do some farm work. But yeah, mainly it's just be about farm videos, what we do on the farm. Nothing too excitement, I guess. Some people might think farming is it has the excitement, it does, but it's not a everyday excitement. It's just, it keeps you busy, pretty much. So I may not be able to do videos every day on this channel. So pretty much what my goal is for this channel is to just bring out some videos of what I think the content would be for the week videos for the channel. Bringing content from a farm is sometimes real easy to do and sometimes it's real hard to do. So if you have any ideas of what would you want me to do for this channel, all means. I love people give me ideas of kind of videos that they'd like to see and like to watch. I know I'm the same way. I'll look at certain things I like on YouTube and I'll follow certain people, or I'll watch certain people's videos every single day. There's only certain things that I like. Same way for you. Y'all may not like farm videos, and hey, that's your opinion. Just like my opinion is, I don't like to sit there and watch. I'll give a prime example. I like to sit there and watch gaming people playing games. I don't know, it's real content to me. And it's like just, I don't know, it's just weird. I like to sit there and watch people play games. And just trying to figure out things to do while in the game. I don't get too off topic. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all some of my chicks I got. I'll show you. And I'll be back. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. And these babies right here, I got right here. Let me see if I can get a wider view. There's these right here. These are bigger than these right here. So you can see these are littler and these are a little bit bigger. These probably, I don't know, probably a week or two older, maybe, I think. I had 18 baby chicks that were almost a month and a half year old. And the day that I sent them outside into the new pen, because they were big enough where they all couldn't be in here. So I sent them out here into my little homemade pen so they can learn to eat grass, eat bugs. Once I feel like they're comfortable enough to be released into the other 18 adult chickens, then I'll slowly move them over. It's like I don't know, I'm weird. I do it different with what other people do. Oh yeah, here's the name that hatchery I use. If you want to look it up on Google. They got chickens, ducks, geese. They got any kind you want. Anything you want or like. But anyways, but these right here, these, I think there's 11 in here. These 11 did not come from here. The 18 that I was to tell you what happened to them, I just put them in there that same day. And here's this pen right here. That same day, and that next night, or the same night, that early morning, about midnight or so, my dad called me and said, you might want to go there and check baby chicks. I think there's some dogs down there messing with them. I didn't think about it. I came down here and checked, but I didn't see anything. So they were fine. So I came back down here. Oh yeah, no, I came back down here to get into my truck to head up for work. My wife calls me at 7 o'clock that morning. Says, just wanted to know there's a baby chick dead on our front porch. I said, well, crap, maybe Dale was right. But I said, it's just one? She said, yeah, it's just one. I thought, that's fine. So I rushed back home after my second load and got back. I got home about lunchtime. And I came home and checked the chicks, and every one of them were dead. The dog busted out. You see that tarp right here? This tarp. The dog busted through the back fence out there. and killed every one of them. So that same day, I went down to my local tractor supply, and I bought these. And I wanted to get a little jump start, get back where I was, but I wouldn't have as many that I did. So I went ahead and bought 5 of the little bit bigger size ones that have like a little jump start, and I bought these little ones the same day. I went back and got 6 more baby ones. So and that day is when I reordered the same kind that my dog killed. And these are the ones that I just got in today, and I ordered them Monday morning, at lunch I mean, and they came in the mail today. So it took 2 days or a day and a half. And these are Borat. I think it's Borat chicken. The black ones are Borat. The red ones you see, where you got the red tent right here. These right here. Those are red, Rhode Island Reds. I can't speak today. And these yellow ones, I can't remember the names of them. Hold up, let me see. Like his paper back out. Let's see. I ain't never had them before. I wanted to do something a little different this time. So let's see. Got paper back out. These are called Buff or Pinton, I guess I say. I know the Buff. I call them Buff. They pretty much in the same family. The ones I got, they're just different color, and they are all my eggs, all my chickens I got, including them out there, are Borat and Rhode Island Reds. I'll show you them right there a little bit, but anyways, these chickens I got, they are high produced eggs. They produce a lot of eggs, about 280 to 300 eggs a year per chicken. So, needing to say, I'm going to have probably close to 40-something chickens. And so you take 40-something chickens, you times it by 280 to 300, let's say 250. It all depends on how the weather is, because I don't do too well when it's cold. So yeah, that's a lot of chicken, a lot of eggs per chicken. So yes, I'll do some videos. I will not be able to ship any eggs out. Just then I have to deal with the FDA, and I don't want to be no part of that. So if you're anywhere near where I live, and just message me on Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to set up a little Facebook account for this farming. So if you live close in the area and you want some eggs, and I keep everything that the post at the date when I have eggs, and if I have enough to for everybody. So like this week I done sold probably close to 20 dozen eggs this week, or yeah, last week, 20 dozen eggs last week. And so, and my feed, the chicken feed I give mine is non-medicated, so it don't have no antibiotics or anything inside the eggs when they start producing. But I do feed my baby chicks right here. These right here, and these right here, I feed them medicated, just because they little, and they can get that disease when they're little. So I do feed them medicated until they are about 3 to 4 weeks old, and I try and convert them over to non-medicated starter and grower, and then I go to grower to finisher, and then finisher straight to layer feed, and that's when I start producing eggs. So if if you have any questions about want to start an egg business or chicken business locally, and not so big, I want to have at least 100 heads of chickens one day, and I'm almost halfway there. It's not easy. It's more work than you think. So I ain't gonna cut any corners on anybody, because everybody thinks, oh, you don't have to feed them every day. Yeah, you do. You got a lot of maintenance to do. You got to clean up every day, or it'll be starting to smell. They don't smell as bad if you keep it clean. I clean mine once a week, sometimes twice a week, depends on how nasty it is. But other than that, if you have any questions about chickens, anything to deal with chickens, just comment below. I put in the description box my Instagram. You can message me through my Instagram. Other than that, y'all. Make sure y'all comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see y'all in this video. And y'all say bye to everybody. There we go. See y'all.